Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Monster Hunter Wilds if its texture is not loading. All right. First up, go ahead and go to your File Explorer. Now go ahead over to this PC and local disk C, as this is where your games are mostly installed. All right. If you're using Steam, go ahead and go to Program Files x86. Go ahead and locate Steam. Then right here in the Steam folder, go ahead and scroll down a bit until you find Steam, or the Steam application itself. All right. Right click on it and go to Properties. Now this page will load. What we're going to do here is go ahead and go to Compatibility tab. Now tick this one, run this program as administrator, hit on Apply, then go ahead and go to Change Settings for all users. All right. Click on this one, then go ahead and tick on Run this program as administrator. Hit Apply, hit OK, hit OK. All right, let's go ahead and launch Steam right here. Hit on Yes. Now what we're going to do here is just go ahead and go to our library. Now locate the game. For example, this is the game right here. Right click on it and go to Properties. Go ahead and go to Install Files, then Browse Local Files. All right, click on Browse. Now in here, you just go ahead and locate the exe file. All right, for example, this is the exe file right here. Just go ahead and right click on it, go to Properties and do the same thing. Go ahead and go to Compatibility tab, run this program as administrator, hit Apply, change settings for all users. All right, run this program as administrator, hit on Apply, hit OK, close everything. All right, go ahead and restart your computer, launch the game again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now if that will work, go ahead and go to your favorite browser, type in enable resizable bar. All right, for the specific motherboard that you have. All right, if you don't know what your motherboard is, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in system information. All right, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it and this one will open. And as you can see here under baseboard product, this one is your motherboard. All right, so what we're going to do here is just find enable resizable bar for maybe ASRock, hit enter. As you can see, there are a ton of results right here. Just go ahead and follow these instructions. And once done, restart your computer again and boot up the game, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.